Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I really appreciate you guys taking your time and tuning into my channel. So I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're gonna be looking into this. It's called a Boya Lavalier Microphone Micro Cravate. What a name. So basically this is a microphone that you use to, you clip it on yourself and then you can hook it up with a device to actually record audio into that device that you attach it with. So this is one of the items that I just bought on my recent online purchase. So I didn't get enough time to actually look at what it offers, what are the specifications. So I'm gonna be seeing how it works, how it looks for the first time with you guys here. Apart from me seeing it online, this is gonna be the first time I open it and actually see how it looks, and as well as how it functions here. So let's open it and see how it looks and probably how it works. Whew. Oh wow, nice. So it comes in this leather-like pouch. It's not really leather, but it has a pouch for everything and the accessories inside. And this is a warranty card that comes with the package. So I have to fill in my details and okay, well when I need to send it back for warranty purposes. And I believe this is a manual which I'm not gonna read. Before we go into the package itself, so let's go through some features that are highlighted here on the box. So this is a clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, tablet, etc, etc. And then it's an omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use, low handling noise, and includes lapel clip, LR44 battery. Okay, so that's a specification. I'm just gonna see how it looks. So, oh my word, I'm not sure if this is gonna fit into any of the device that I have in the house. I hope it does. I really hope it does, because looking at the pin that they're showing here, oh okay, this looks like an adapter. So what? Okay, I think the 3.5 milli jack goes in here, and then this is the clip to clip it here on myself. And what's here? Oh my word, it uses battery. Jesus. Holy moly. Okay. Okay. That's the battery, and then what else do we have in the package? Okay, that's the whole thing connected all together. It's actually long enough, so I can actually connect it to the camera. That's the mic itself, and then we clip it in here. And then this is the windshield sponge that goes in here. So let's find where the battery goes. Set it up and we're gonna test this. So I'm gonna remove the microphone that's currently connected to the camera, and then we're gonna test this one. You guys will tell me how it sounds. So let's clip it in there and let's do the swapping. Hey guys, can you still hear me loud and clear? I hope the sound is clear. So I'm still going to test this microphone to actually see if it's gonna work for what I want to do. This is just an interim microphone setup, so it's not going to be something that I'm going to be defaulting into. I need a proper quality sound recording microphone, and this is not it. But if I'm to get a lapel one, I'm gonna definitely get one that is a good quality. I can feel the material of this cable is not as good as I was expecting, though it's relevant to the price that I paid. And actually like the length of this cable, because which means I'm able to run it below the table to myself without you guys noticing. And yeah, so nonetheless, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning, and I will see you on my next video. Tell me what you think about the microphone. Is it sound good? Is it clear?